Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today we have some royal mail. I haven't opened it or anything. I don't know who it's from. All I know is that it's royal mail. So let's give this a shot and hopefully not cut into anything. Okay, so I'm gonna save this washi tape though. This is some pretty washi tape. I like the way she did the envelope. It looks like it's from a whole bunch of magazine pages she decorated it with. So we have this. So let's see what's inside the royal mail. So let's see. Vanessa, thank you for joining me today. 9/8. I'm still kind of confused, but we'll see. Oh, some painty labels and a slow stitch bookmark. Oh, this is pretty. The little houses, a button. Look at that, how pretty. Let's make sure that's all that's in the envelope. Yep, that is it. But I'm going to keep all of this. And the stamp, everything on it is going to be kept. So, thank you to whoever sent this. I'm still at a loss. If you see this, please let me know who it is so I can give you the credit that you deserve. So, so I'm going to say this. Thank you very much to the mystery person. And if you watch this, please let me know in the comment section who it is. 9/8. That was like a week ago. Who I joined a week ago? I don't remember. But thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit your notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And please be blessed, be kind, be loving, love and light to all. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.